Add a text watermark in an Excel worksheet. Need to add a text watermark to an Excel worksheet to indicate its status or protect sensitive information. Unlike Microsoft Word, Excel doesn't provide a built-in text watermark feature. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy methods to add a text watermark in Excel. Let's start with the first method. Use a background image as a watermark. First, create the watermark text in a blank area of the worksheet. Here, I merge several blank cells. Type a watermark text, such as confidential. You can enter any text you want to use as the watermark. Next, select this merged cell. Press Ctrl and 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Alignment tab. Then adjust the text rotation. Here, I'll set it to 40 degrees. Click OK. Now, increase the font size. And change the font color to light gray. To make it look like a watermark. Go to View. Uncheck Guidelines to hide the guidelines. Then use a screen capture tool to save the watermark as an image. Next, open the worksheet where you want to add the watermark. Go to Page Layout, Background. Choose from a file. Then select the image you just created. Click Insert. The watermark image is inserted and tiled across the worksheet. Although this method works, creating the watermark requires several manual steps. More importantly, the background image won't be printed. If you are looking for a faster solution that also supports printing, Kutools for Excel makes it much easier. After installing Kutools for Excel, open the worksheet where you want to add the watermark. Go to Kutools, Insert, Insert Watermark. The Insert Watermark dialog box opens. Choose Text Watermark. Select a built-in watermark text. Or enter your own text. Then customize the font, font size, font color, and layout. You can also preview the watermark before applying it. Click OK. That's it. Kutools automatically switches to Page Layout view, so you can immediately preview the watermark. The watermark is also visible when you print the worksheet. With just a few clicks, you can add a professional text watermark to your worksheet. Thanks for watching.